So as Sky Collection predicted, the Bedini circuit, whoa, I got to turn it down. It's only on 12 volts, but I got to turn it down. Holy mackerel, now it's on 5 volts. The Bedini circuit works great. I got a load of 2 of these 12 volt strips. That's at 5.9 volts. That Bedini circuit and this type of rotor works really well with this pancake coil. So yeah, the Bedini circuit works really good. I should really check to see how much voltage is coming off of. Oh, but I need to set up my I need to set up my bridge rectifier on there. But yeah, that's spinning really well. Only 5.9 volts. If I turn it up, there's 8. And it's really, I gotta hold this down because of the vibration. That's really flying. That's at 8 volts. Yeah. Very cool. So, going back to the my other coil, these square coils that are not really working out so good, I took one apart. And unfortunately, I resined this thing, so it's really hard to do anything with it. But I found a site that said if you just soak this in warm water, I should be able to make it. So I want to make it that it goes over, across, up, over, and across, but very close to the rotor. Yeah. So hopefully I can get that going. I'll soak it in some water. Let's take a look at this guy again. So there's 8 volts. Just give it a little start. And there's the load. And this is the Bedini circuit. And if I turn the load off, you can see the neons that protect the circuit. Yeah, I got to turn this down. 6 volts. But yeah, the Bedini circuit works great with this pancake coil. Thank you, Sky, once again. So, I'm waiting on the cover for this, and then this is all jerry-rigged. I just hot glued it all together. I've got to figure out a better way of mounting this so I can do different experiments. But I had saw Sky's remark saying I should try this with the Bedini circuit, and I incorrectly couldn't figure out what he was talking about because I was thinking about this coil, which only has one wire, and you can't do a Bedini circuit with it. Well, I suppose you can, but... And then I realized what he was talking about, the pancake coil, which is a bifilar coil. Anyway, let's shut that off. So yeah, hopefully I can get this this hunk of wire, which seems to have survived me taking the plastic off of it. You see all the crazy good. None of the wires are cut or scraped, but it's really hard to do anything with it. I mean, it took a lot for me just to bend these out. And so, like I said, I want to make it so that it's like it goes up, over like that. So that, yeah. Anyway, thanks for the suggestion, Sky. It works really good. As you can see, I can't even get it up anywhere near 12 volts. And you can see how this is a little bit unbalanced, and it's because of the void. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but somehow I got a big void in here. And I'm thinking I can actually cut this open and put some stuff in. It's not that badly unbalanced. Um, but it does vibrate. So yeah, I should probably do something to fix that. Yeah, there's a crack here. That's not a void. There's a crack inside there. I don't know if that's a crack or a void. I don't think it can be a void because I paid attention when I was filling this guy up. At least I thought I was. I ordered some new magnets. I want to make a smaller rotor like this, actually probably more like this size here, which is the same size I had for my maglev, but I want to make it bigger, about maybe half the size of this, for some other experiments. And I also want to try to do some magnetic coupling. I think it was G-Law that noticed in one of my last videos, I was showing this, and this guy was in the background, and he was watching it. And as I was spinning, this guy, that guy was moving. And a while ago, I did some really cool stuff with some magnetic coupling. And that was years ago. And I would actually get it to sync, but going in the opposite direction. Like I would get that one to go like that and that one to go like that. And it would it would sync almost like this. Like this is sunk up now, which doesn't make any sense. It shouldn't be sunk up because it's going in the wrong way. But anyway, yeah, I want to do some magnetic coupling, like maybe put a rotor here, like next to this one, like next to it, like this. Oh, shit. Next, I forgot that those are next to it like this, so it would magnetically couple, or over here, or behind it like this. See, now I just did it the opposite way, and it's actually sunk. It shouldn't be, but it is. I found that many years ago, about 10 years ago. This is spinning this way, and this one's also spinning this way, where it should be spinning the other way. Anyway, weird stuff. Weird stuff. Weird but cool. But yeah, Bedini circuit works great on this. The JL94 circuit works great on this, and also the Hall sensor. I tried all three of them, but so far I think the Bedini circuit works the best. But that's only because of the coils that I have. Yeah, so I've got to fix that one coil I have. Anyway, ciao.